Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show you the way how to save your favorite website into the favorite segment so that you can reach out those websites anytime you want. So here you just need to open your Safari first, and you just need to open the website, or you can also look for the new website by just go click this button, and then you just need to go click this plus button, and then you just need to type what type of website that you want to search. And I want to just try to have this food science, and I got this constructor university that talking about the food science degree. And then you just need to go click open the website that you want. If you want to like save this whole website into your favorite, since you want to reach out this website for the next time, so you just need to go take a look on this line. There will be like 3 options down part here, so you just need to go click this share button, and then you just have to let slightly slide into the upper side, and there will be like add to favorites, so you just need to go click them. And you can also change the titles if you want, but then if you want to just keep it this way, you just need to go click save. And how to find it, you just need to go visit this book section, and there will be like a favorite sections on this book. Click this favorite, and you will got those website in this latest part here. And basically that is the way how to save the website into your favorites. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.